Inside every cell of your body are tiny power plants called mitochondria. They produce ATP, the energy that powers everything from your heartbeat to your thoughts.
The difference between feeling tired and feeling powerful often comes down to mitochondrial health and number. Scientists call the creation of new mitochondria mitochondrial biogenesis, and research shows nutrition plays a powerful role. When AMPK and PGC1 alpha are activated, your cells receive a signal to build more mitochondria. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound known to activate protective cellular pathways.
Sulforaphane activates NRF2, helping protect mitochondria from oxidative damage. When cells are protected from stress, mitochondrial growth becomes more efficient.
Regular intake of cruciferous vegetables supports long-term cellular energy. Fatty fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids.
Omega-3 improves mitochondrial membrane flexibility and efficiency. Research suggests omega-3 may stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis in muscle tissue.
More mitochondria means improved endurance and energy output. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants.
They protect mitochondria from oxidative stress. Studies show blueberries support brain mitochondrial health. Protection allows cells to generate new energy-producing units.
Green tea contains EGCG, a powerful plant compound. EGCG activates AMPK, the master switch for mitochondrial production. This increases fat oxidation and cellular energy output. That's why green tea provides steady, clean energy. Avocados provide healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats strengthen mitochondrial membranes. Stable mitochondria produce stable energy. Eggs are rich in B vitamins.
B vitamins are essential for ATP production inside mitochondria. Without them, energy production slows dramatically.
Walnuts contain polyphenols and plant omega-3.
These nutrients support mitochondrial efficiency and reduce inflammation.
Broccoli, fatty fish, blueberries, green tea, avocado, eggs, and walnuts all support mitochondrial health.
When you nourish your cells correctly, your body responds with more energy, better metabolism, and stronger performance.